sports equipment, pet dander, and long-forgotten snacks. They all leave behind their own not-so-pleasant odors in your car, and it can be way harder than you plan to get them out. But here's the thing. The best odor eliminators for cars work by neutralizing scents over time, not just masking it. There are many products available to choose cheap car odor eliminator, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap car odor eliminator from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Little Trees Car Air Freshener. You don't always have to get fancy to produce a stellar result. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you likely don't want to spend a fortune to keep the car smelling fresh. That's why Little Trees are our top pick for rideshare vehicles. These little bundles of fragrance last a decent amount of time, and they won't break the bank. The scents. There are 40 different ones, but Black Ice seems to be a people pleaser. It's modern and doesn't give off too much of a perfume-like smell, so it should be a good neutral scent for anyone hopping in the car. A masculine fragrance with a fusion of sandalwood, bergamot and lemon with an air of Mr. Little Trees is the original car air freshener that freshens at home and on the road. Specialized proprietary technologies combined with exceptional fragrances deliver long-lasting quality results. Freshen up at home or on the road with the original car air freshener. Great to use in laundry rooms, garages, bathrooms, and pet odor areas. Little Trees air fresheners come in a wide range of product styles and fragrances, making it easy to find one you love. Rigorous testing and high-quality standards ensures a premium fragrance experience made from only the best ingredients. Strives to create the best car air fresheners for both consumers and the environment. All fragrances meet or exceed the International Fragrance Association guidelines, as well as our stringent internal safety standards. Number 2. Yankee Candle Car Jar. Ridding a car of cigarette smoke is tough, and it'll likely require more than a simple air freshener. But in our experience, a Yankee Candle Car Jar can do a good job at keeping a car smelling fresh and removing unpleasant car odors. Specifically, the beach-esque and cotton fragrances do a darn good job of eliminating a smoke smell. Of course, this all depends on how frequently someone smokes in a car. The plastic jars, Car Jar Ultimates, do a better job with cigarette smoke than the standard cardboard ones, and a single jar smells pretty potent for at least a few weeks. Beyond that, the scent still lingers in a positive fashion. Number 3. Febreze Car Unstoppable Air Vent Clip. Car freshener vent clips are nothing new, but Febreze jumped on the bandwagon years ago, with its dedicated line of clips for your car's air vent. In our experience, the Febreze Car Unstoppable vent clips pack quite the punch. Both scents, fresh and shimmer, have a pleasant smell and do a great job at dulling other strong odor in the car. Fresh is definitely for those that enjoy a cleaner fragrance, while shimmer is the more perfume-like scent. Neither are overly pungent, though. Each clip also features an adjustable dial to pump more or less fragrance into the car, and they look awfully discreet by design. Includes 2 Febreze Unstoppables Car Vent Clips Fresh Scent and 2 Febreze Unstoppables Car Vent Clips Paradise Scent. Fight strapped car odors with fantastic freshness. On the go transform your world with the aerial laundry vibes of Unstoppables Fresh. Who has time to do actual laundry, anyways? Bring the vacation vibes to you with the fruity, beachy scent of Unstoppables Paradise. Fight stinks for up to 30 days by adding even more freshness with your car's airflow. Simple to activate. Push the vent clip until you hear a click and adjust the scent intensity from low to high, and explore your bold side. Number 4. Enoch Car Air Purifier. This ionic air purifier is a total lifesaver if you're always hauling stinky sports equipment or savory snacks in your car. It works by plugging it into the lighter socket or clipping it to your vent. While it's plugged in, it releases a steady stream of high-density negative ions that cling to and absorb odor molecules. It's so powerful that it can also help eliminate airborne viruses to prevent you from getting sick. And bonus. It also includes 2 USB slots, so you can charge your devices while you drive. Enoch Ionic Air Purifier can release up to 5.6 million negative ions per cm3, which can immediately remove bad odor and smell from the car. These high-density negative ions also attach dust and smoke to neutralize airborne contaminant to increase the air quality. This is the way to enjoy a clean environment on any car ride. The air purifier emits a light scent of ozone that smells similar to a summer rain shower. It is important to keep in mind that ozone is most effective in deodorizing when used over a period of time. It is unlikely to see immediate results, but can definitely feel and see the long-lasting improvement over time. Number 5. Dampered Moisture Absorber in Lavender Vanilla. For musty odors, these moisture-absorbing crystals are an absolute must. Pop the lid on of these containers and tuck it under your seats to let it do its thing. The crystals pull in any additional moisture from soggy food spills or damp sports equipment, taking stinky scents with them. The crystals are also infused with lavender and vanilla, so they'll fill your car with a pleasant scent that you can actually enjoy. Plus, they come in a pack of 6. Go ahead and replace them when they start to wear off and spread the deodorizer love. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.